Greetings, Chris Fiola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog, New Jobs for a New Age. Today we're taking a look at a more specific AI or machine learning tool. This one is called Sudowrite, and it's a tool that allows you to write fiction with some assists. So let's give it a try here and see how it goes. Wants me to type in at least 20 words, so let's just start with a description here. So we'll say Joe was 12 when he went to sea with the whaling ship Pequod out of Mystic, Connecticut. He was 13 when the pirates captured him. Okay, let's see if it'll let me go from there. Let's see. Autocomplete plus magic. Okay, let's see what that does. Nothing. Oh, I guess I have to click right after. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Joe had always been fascinated by the tales of swashbuckling pirates and the thrill of the open sea. He had dreamed of adventure excitement, but he never imagined he would end up being taken captive by pirates. Had attacked the Pequod in the dead of night, overwhelming the crew with their superior numbers and fierce brutality. Joe, he replied, his voice barely above a whisper. Well, Joe, it seems you found yourself in a bit of a predicament. Interesting. I wonder if I would have gotten something different here. If I would have specified the 19th century. I think people thought of pirates as romantic back then. Joe was 12. Let's see. Let's try that. Joe was 12 in 1873 when he went to sea with the whaling ship Pequod. Okay, let's put that here and let's hit right again and see what happens this time. That's more spooky. The pirates had attacked the Pequod in the dead of night, their ship appearing out of nowhere like a ghostly apparition on the horizon. Joe had been on watch duty, scanning the darkness for any signs of danger. See, the pirates were already upon them, their cannon fire echoing through the night like thunder. This has a lot of interesting controls here too. Notice that you can tell it what types of descriptions to put in here. You can ask it to, you can choose one of these and ask it to rewrite it. I'm not sure what Brainstorm does. Let's see what more does here. Shrink Ray. Poem. Interesting. This would be some fun to play with. And I think it's another one of these tools where, like any tool, it suits you or it doesn't suit you. You're going to have to try it and see what you think. I'll put up a link to it in the description down below. So, but I do want to push the brainstorm button before I go here. So let's see what that does. What do you want to brainstorm? Dialogue, characters, world building. Oh, interesting. Let's try tweets. I don't know. Let's try. That's interesting. Article ideas. Let's see what that does. Give me a list of articles for a blog about being a romance writer. Let's not. Let's see. Articles for a blog about professional photography. Ooh, my battery's running low. Sorry. In the age of AI. Save the scene. How to create a dramatic lighting setup. Not useful. How to capture that's better. How to capture emotion with the AI assisted. Creative composition techniques to make your images stand out from the crowd. Building a better character. That's not photography. Intriguing. Well, I think this is a tool worth another look, especially if you're doing some creative writing or blogging, someplace where you have to come up with a lot of ideas. See how it goes for you. That's it for this week. Feel out.